Hey guys, how's it going? I'm back with another video, clearly, and I am hanging out in my little nook. I got a palm tree. This is my newest addition. What should I name him? I don't know what to name my palm. And this is my biggest plant, and I'm so excited. I love my palm, but I don't know what to name it, so comment down below if you know what I should name my palm. Anyway, today I finally have a day off, which is really nice. I feel like I haven't really had time to think, let alone film a video in a little while. I have been reflecting a lot on being productive and organized, especially because I am not that at all. So I'm gonna take you around and show you how this unorganized, very prone to being unproductive human stays productive and organized. So, what I've been doing, since I have a rug coming in from Amazon today, I want to get my living room in order so then I can move everything out of the way so I can put the rug down. So I'm trying to find something to put on the coffee table that I can just very easily like transport everything that's sitting on the coffee table off instead of moving every single thing off of it. So I have this nice little tray that I got, oh God, quite a while ago. And it's just been sitting in a box. So I figure might as well take it out. It looks really, really nice. So I'm going to clean it and use that. So it's still a little bit messy. I just need to put all of these clothes away into the bedroom, put these into the bathroom, and then get started on my bedroom. Usually I'm really good about putting away my jewelry when I take it off, but sometimes I'm not. And now I need to put my laundry away, which will be a bit of an ordeal because I have quite the small closet and it's not very organized. So earlier this week, Eric and I have been noticing a weird smell in our We've been noticing a weird smell in our bedroom, and we've been trying to figure out what it could be. And we're thinking maybe it's this rug, which has honestly been through a lot. It's been through like moving through 2 states. It's been through Clementine accidentally throwing up on it. It's been through a lot. So I'm going to roll it up and see if that makes any difference in the smell of our room. And hopefully it does. Okay, so now I've swept, and sweeping is actually like my least favorite thing to do when cleaning the house. I absolutely hate doing it. So sometimes I skimp out, and then whenever I do get around to doing it, I realize, wow, that really needed to get done. Wow, there was a lot of buildup on the floor. Oops. I could easily clean the rest of my bedroom, but I think I really need to prioritize what I need to prioritize, and then maybe if I have more time left, I'll clean the rest of my room, but honestly, I'm not too concerned about it because nobody has really been coming over and needing to like hang out in my bedroom. So I finally got basically everything I needed to do done. I still need to get groceries and I still want to put up some shelves, and obviously my main priority is my rug. I have to leave, go across the bridge in 30 minutes. So I am basically just going to take a little bit of time to relax, sit on my phone for a while, decompress a little, because I just spent like 2 hours doing stuff. Because I can't just go and 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 not stop until I'm done. I have to like take little breaks. So that's what I do. So we finally got the rug and Eric is home from work and he can help me. So now we're going to put down this very large rug that we have. It's 8 by 10. Eric is hugging the rug that is almost the size of 2 of him. Wait, this is our thumbnail. It's so pretty. I love it. It's such a nice print, and I got it from Amazon for $170, which I think is a pretty solid deal for a rug like this. And now we're on to this craziness.
Alright, I'm on.
I'm also on. Does it feel crooked to you?
Yeah, it kind of looks it.
A few inches later.
Is that right?
Yeah, it is. It's so nice. And then we come over here. And then we come over here. And it's so pretty. Hi. Oh my God. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, so we finally, my goal has been met and I've put up everything that I wanted to put up today with Eric's help.
You put it up?
Yes, I did with you.
Okay.
And we got the rug down and I cleaned up and everything was good. And so now we're gonna celebrate by buying some beer and also maybe going to World Market. maybe. For more pillows, we need more pillows. We can't have enough pillows. And I finally convinced Eric of that. Yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed my video of being productive when you don't really want to be. And that's how you put a rug down and put up very big paintings. Do you have anything to say?
I gotta take this. I'm in a meeting right now. Can I call you back?
So that was my video today. If you liked it, please comment and subscribe and like and all of those things. And here is my social media if you want to see more pictures of my apartment. And yes.